Eeh, the wood paneling is flaking off. Hello and welcome to How to Helen, where you learn something different every day. In this episode, we will be touching up the wood paneling on this 2002 Chrysler PT Cruiser, as well as do some minor cleanup on this vehicle. Now, I bought some of these furniture touch-up markers to see if we can hide the flakes on the wood paneling. Eeh, the wood paneling is flaking off. Just a little bit on this side. And there's so many stickers. So our goal is to hide the imperfections on the paneling so it looks presentable. We don't have to be perfect on this. So let's try it right now with these furniture touch-up markers. I'm going to start with the lightest one to see how it blends in. Next, I'm gonna dabble of this darker shade around the areas. Now I'm gonna use this darkest tint around the area. Unfortunately, this darkest tint I think doesn't match well with the wood paneling. For now, I'm gonna let it dry first and see what happens. While we are waiting for the touch-up markers to dry up, I'm gonna remove the stickers. I'm gonna use the blade of a box cutter and some soapy water to remove them. One of the things I mentioned on my previous video is that this rear wiper does not spring back in its original location anymore. That's because the hinge on this wiper is corroded and rusted out. So I'm gonna spray some WD-40 on the hinge and rock it back and forth. Hopefully that will release the hinge from the rust and corrosion. And there you go. Now I'm gonna use an electric screwdriver and a metal grinder so I can grind out the rust on this wiper arm. Because I haven't found any replacement seats for the driver's side, I'm just gonna put some bottom seat covers to preserve the bottom seats and at least make them look presentable for now. Yak. Well, that's a lot better. I wanted to do a final clear coat on the wood paneling. Unfortunately, as you can see, the weather's not cooperating. So I'm gonna end the episode here. So that is our touch-up on the wood paneling and basic and general cleaning of this 2002 Chrysler PT Cruiser. This has been another episode of How to Helen. My name's Arjaf, and thank you for watching.